Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off autoplay mobile data on your WeChat app. We'll go to turn off this mark on how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings and you come to next window here, or it's going to take you to settings window and you just click here on general. Then you come to general window, you click here on photos, videos, first calls here, and you come to this window here and you just come here to autoplay on mobile data. You will click here on this color or this mark, and like you say color it's gone, that's mean autoplay on mobile data it's turned off now. So that's all you have to do to turn off this on your WeChat app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.